In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate a HoneyBook contact form with your Squarespace website. This is perfect if you want all your inquiries to go straight into HoneyBook for easy tracking, automation, and follow-up. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the lead capture and click the lead forms. If this is your first time here in lead forms, I want you to click the create new and create a lead form depending on your layout. But since I have already created my own right here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the lead form that you wanted to embed on Squarespace. Now, on the top corner, you have an option to preview the lead form before you embed it to Squarespace. You have the desktop preview and the mobile preview. Once you're happy, click the exit preview and click the share button. And all you have to do is super simple. Click the copy code to embed on website. All right. And of course, we are going to very quickly switch to our Squarespace account. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the add block and then scroll down until you find the option that says embed. And all I have to do is embed the code. It's super simple, right? You can also use a custom featured image if you want. Add an image. You can upload your own file, select from library, or browse from stock images. Once you're done, you also have the option to add a description. And once you're happy, as you can see, that's how you integrate HoneyBook contact form with Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.